If you're wanting to know how to print via email with your Brother printer, stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss this video. Hey, what is going on? The printer guy here. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to print via email, meaning that you are able to attach a PDF to an email it to a specific email address that your printer has, and it be printed on the other end through your printer. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to click web on your Brother printer. Then you're going to scroll down to where it says email print. You're going to click the right arrow button to confirm that you want to do email printing. Next, you're going to click yes. Do you want to show this information each time? Probably click no to that. Clicked yes on accident, and it's going to begin processing. Now this processing is going to take you to the point where you can click enable. You're going to click OK, and then before clicking enable, there's some information here you can go through. Click the right arrow, and you're going to accept the terms and service of email printing with your Brother printer. That's going to process for a few minutes. Allow that to process. Once the processing is over, the printer will notify you that email printing has been enabled. It's going to process again, and then ultimately it will print out this document that gives you all the information that you need on how to actually do email printing. But of course, that's not where this video ends. On this sheet, you will see your Brother machine email address, and this is what you're going to use to email documents to your printer. Now you can put whatever you want in the subject line, but you do need to make sure that you have the right email address. You can attach a PDF, and once you click send on your email, that is going to send directly to your Brother printer, and it's going to print out the other end. So what I actually printed out was a document because I had scanned that document that has all the information on it. But you're going to get two sheets. You're going to get whatever you ended up attaching to that email, which was this document, and you're going to get a transmission receipt, much like you would with a fax. If there was a subject line, it would have printed here on this sheet. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. That's all I have for now. Thanks for watching, and until next time.